In front of me is Vivo X200 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this microphone at the top right corner to start typing. You can click on the same one to stop. You can also click on your microphone and when it's on, tap on little icon right next to it. Now you can click on this icon of a language to operate all of those available options. You can delete text on the go thanks to this one with an X. And switch to your standard keyboard by clicking on keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!